Bridge Hill fire blankets are engineered for rapid response to incipient fires. Constructed from flame-retardant fiberglass fabric, they work by smothering flames, cutting off the oxygen supply to effectively extinguish fires involving cooking oils, electrical equipment, or flammables liquides. Their compact, wall-mounted design ensures immediate accessibility in kitchens, laboratories, workshops, and industrial settings, serving as a crucial first-line defense tool that requires no maintenance and is simple for anyone to operate. The QuickDeck system, alongside partners like Laban, represents a revolution in temporary and semi-permanent modular flooring. These interlocking platforms create instant, stable, and level surfaces over uneven terrain, grass, or concrete. Essential for event management, construction sites, and emergency staging areas, they provide safe footing for heavy equipment and pedestrian traffic. Their lightweight, high-strength polymer or aluminum construction allows for rapid deployment and reconfiguration without specialized tools. All-round master and BBA pumps are synonymous with robust, reliable dewatering solutions. Designed to handle everything from clear water to heavily silt-laden flows and aggressive chemicals, these diesel or electric-powered pumps are built for the toughest construction, mining, and emergency flood relief applications. Features like automatic oil lubrication, large particle handling, and easy maintenance ensure continuous operation in critical dewatering scenarios, preventing project delays and mitigating water damage. Compact solutions focus on space optimization and modular efficiency. This system likely involves compact, reconfigurable containers or shelters designed for mobile command centers, emergency medical clinics, or modular equipment housing. Their design prioritizes rapid deployment, logistical efficiency for transport, and a self-contained operational capability, making them ideal for disaster response, remote work sites, and temporary infrastructure needs where time and space are at a premium. The distant tower crane system introduces a paradigm shift in construction safety and efficiency through advanced remote operation technology. Operators can control the crane from a safe, ergonomic ground-level cabin or even from a remote location, eliminating the climb and providing an optimal, unobstructed view via high-definition cameras. This enhances precision, reduces operator fatigue, and significantly improves worksite safety by removing personnel from elevated hazards. The Unitree Bone is a state-of-the-art quadruped robot designed for industrial inspection and hazardous environment navigation. Its advanced dynamic algorithm allows it to traverse complex, unstable terrain like construction sites, disaster zones, or confined industrial spaces that is inaccessible to humans or wheeled robots. Equipped with AI and customizable sensor payloads, LiDAR, thermal cameras, it can autonomously perform inspections, gather data, and monitor unsafe areas, keeping human workers out of harm's way. This combination represents the forefront of remote-controlled demolition. The Husqvarna DXR 145 is a powerful, robust demolition robot designed for breaking, crushing, and lifting in unstable or hazardous structures. When paired with AHT hurricane screens, the system becomes a closed-loop solution. The screens contain dust, debris, and noise directly at the source, protecting adjacent areas and workers from hazardous silica dust and allowing projects in sensitive environments like hospitals or active facilities to proceed safely. Callan systems are engineered for high-security perimeter protection, typically involving crash-rated bollards, barriers, or fencing. They are designed to withstand vehicle impact attacks and forced entry. Used to protect government buildings, corporate headquarters, and public spaces, these systems provide a formidable physical defense layer, often integrating with electronic access control and surveillance systems for a comprehensive security solution. RSA skimmers. Advanced oil spill recovery systems designed for efficient containment and removal of hydrocarbons from water surfaces. They are crucial for environmental protection in ports, offshore operations, and following accidental spills. Maaslandkering. A monumental storm surge barrier in the Netherlands, representing the pinnacle of climate adaptation infrastructure. This massive, movable barrier automatically closes to protect the port of Rotterdam from North Sea floodwaters. Utilizing predictive weather data and autonomous operation, it is a benchmark in resilient civil engineering. Gallagher's specialized bear fencing systems provide non-lethal, effective protection for campsites, waste management facilities, and rural properties. Utilizing high-tensile, electrified wires, it delivers a memorable but safe deterrent shock that teaches bears to avoid the area without causing them harm. This proactive management tool is critical for reducing human-wildlife conflict and ensuring safety for both people and animals. The Escape Rescue System is a pre-engineered solution for emergency descent from heights. Deployed in telecommunication towers, wind turbines, and high-rise buildings, it allows personnel to safely rappel to the ground in the event of a fire or other emergency where standard egress is blocked. These systems are designed for intuitive use under stress and are a mandatory safety feature in many modern elevated workplaces. LoRaWAN, Long Range Wide Area Network, a low-power, long-range wireless protocol designed for Internet of Things, IoT devices. It enables the connectivity of vast networks of sensors for asset tracking, environmental monitoring, and smart city applications without the high power consumption of cellular networks. KWMSys, Kernel Warehouse Management System, a software platform for optimizing warehouse operations, including inventory management, picking, packing, shipping, and receiving. It increases accuracy, efficiency, and visibility across the entire supply chain. The Python 5000 Plus is a high-capacity pumping system designed for large-scale dewatering, river diversion, or emergency flood control. Its name suggests a capability to handle thousands of gallons per minute, making it essential for major civil engineering projects, mine dewatering, and disaster response units, tasked with moving vast quantities of water quickly and reliably. WeatherSolve hail canopies are engineered fabric structures designed to protect valuable assets such as vehicles, aircraft, and sensitive equipment from damaging hail impact. Using a high-strength, flexible membrane tensioned over a support framework, they dissipate the kinetic energy of hailstones, preventing costly dents and breaks. This is a proactive risk mitigation solution for industries in hail-prone regions. StreetSmart likely refers to an integrated system for urban traffic and pedestrian safety. This could include smart crosswalks with embedded lighting, radar-activated pedestrian warning signs, or data-driven traffic calming platforms. These systems use sensors and connectivity to increase visibility, alert drivers to the presence of pedestrians, and reduce accidents in high-risk urban zones. Brandenburger is a leading name in temporary shoring systems for construction and emergency rescue. Their hydraulic and mechanical shoring equipment is used to stabilize collapsed structures, trench walls, and unstable buildings, creating safe access for rescue workers and preventing further collapse during disaster response and construction projects. The Brink Ball is an innovative throwable robot for law enforcement and SWAT teams. Designed to be thrown into barricaded or hazardous situations, it self-rights and uses integrated cameras and two-way audio to provide real-time situational awareness to commanders outside. This allows for critical assessment of threats and conditions before committing officers to a potentially dangerous environment. Base isolation is a sophisticated seismic engineering technique where a building is decoupled from the shaking ground by a system of bearings or pads, isolators, placed between the foundation and the superstructure. During an earthquake, the isolators absorb and dissipate the seismic energy, dramatically reducing the forces transferred to the building and preventing structural damage. This is a critical technology for protecting essential infrastructure in earthquake zones. GeoBrug RXE RingNet Extensible systems are high-tensile steel mesh barriers designed to intercept and retain falling rocks along slopes, cliffs, and above infrastructure. Their ringnet design allows for high-energy absorption and deformation, effectively stopping rockfalls and debris flows to protect roads, railways, and buildings located in mountainous terrain. WaterGate is a rapidly deployable, portable flood barrier. It uses the pressure of the oncoming water to inflate and seal a flexible membrane, creating an instant dam. Lightweight and storing in a small volume, it can be unrolled and positioned by a small crew to protect doorways, infrastructure, and communities from rising floodwaters with incredible speed and efficiency. Katu is a renowned manufacturer of electrical safety equipment. The CZ54R likely refers to a specific line of insulated tools, voltage detection kits, or earthing and short-circuiting equipment for use in high-voltage environments. These tools are essential for electricians and utility workers, providing certified protection against electrical shock and arc flash hazards, ensuring compliance with the strictest safety protocols. For example, NFPA 70. The SafeBack SBX is a pressurized refuge chamber designed for mining and tunneling operations. In the event of a fire, explosion, or toxic gas release, it provides a secure, breathable environment with oxygen, scrubbing systems, water, and supplies where workers can shelter for days until rescue is possible. It is a last line of defense and a critical component of modern mine safety. SPARS likely denotes an integrated security perimeter alert and response system. This could comprise a network of seismic sensors, thermal cameras, radar, and fence-mounted intrusion detection systems that create a smart perimeter. The system differentiates between wildlife, environmental noise, and genuine security breaches, providing early warning and precise location data to security personnel. Cosmos pumps are heavy-duty centrifugal pumps designed for demanding applications in agriculture, irrigation, industry, cooling water, slurry transfer, and municipal water management. Known for their durability, efficiency, and ability to handle abrasive and corrosive fluids, they are built for continuous operation with minimal maintenance. Modern crowd control barriers are engineered systems for managing pedestrian flow and ensuring public safety at events, construction sites, and public spaces. Going beyond simple metal fencing, they include interlocking steel or plastic barriers, retractable belt stanchions for queue management, and crash-rated vehicle barriers. Effective crowd control is essential for preventing crushes, managing entry points, and protecting perimeters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.